Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is updated and you have any quick backups if settings change. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Display or Home Screen Controls. This is where manufacturers group Taskbar or Dock options. You want to find the Taskbar, Dock, or Navigation Bar entry. Tap it now. Make sure to read available descriptions because some phones call it Dock or Navigation Bar. This naming explains why options differ across devices. You'll see position choices like bottom, left, right, or floating. Pick the one you prefer and notice why each affects usability. Side positions free vertical space, bottom is familiar. Then adjust size, icon layout, and any gesture settings so the new position feels natural. Make sure to use a live preview if your phone offers it, and test 1 or 2 gestures after changing. Once satisfied, tap Apply or Save to lock in the new layout, and keep using You're almost done. Apply changes and actively test the taskbar across several apps and both portrait and landscape orientations to confirm consistency. If icons overlap, gestures fail, or elements appear off-screen, revert to the previous layout or reset the taskbar settings. This resolves most layout conflicts. If problems persist, restart your device and, as a next step, clear the Settings app cache or check for system updates. Doing this often fixes stuck UI states and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.